In this video, we're going to learn about relative frequency. So if we have a problem like this that says Mr. Wright interviewed his students to find out what their favorite color was. He recorded the answers in the table below. And we could see the colors: blue, orange, pink, purple, brown, red, black, blue, pink, yellow. And there are some here that are some students wanted the same color as another student, so you'll see repeats. So let's put them in color so we could see them. It'll make it easier to learn it just for now, so that we could have a better understanding. So there's two blues, two pinks, and there's one of everything else. One red, one orange, one purple, one yellow, one brown. So that was the first step. So the second step is to understand what relative frequency means. It is the ratio of the number in that category to the total number. So we need to understand that this is how it looks. The relative frequency equals number in a category over the total number. So the total number, find the total number of items that you see in the table. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 items in the table, 10 students. So now we can write the relative frequency of each color as a fraction with a denominator of 10. So let's write the unique colors. There's blue, orange, pink, purple, red, brown, yellow, black. And even though there's repeats here, in this table, we only put them in once. So this is writing each color as a fraction with a denominator of 10, right? There's 10 people, and they chose blue twice, so 2 over 10. They chose orange once, once over 10. They chose pink twice, so it's 2 over 10. And the rest are all 1 over 10 because they were only chosen once. So now we have to convert these numbers into a percent. A percent tells a part out of 100. So write an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. So how is that going to look? That'll look like this. So to get this denominator to equal 100, we multiply it by 10. So because we multiplied the denominator by 10, we will multiply the numerator by 10. So 2 times 10 is 20. 20 over 100. And you do the exact same thing for all of them. And this tells us the percentage. So now we just write in the percentages into the table. So there's 20% blues, right? There's 10% orange. There's 20% pink. There's 10% purple. There's 10% red. There's 10% brown. And there's 10% yellow. And of course 10% black. And that's the end of this lesson. And if you didn't understand that, you could just rewatch the video. And I also have links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this, and you could check those out. Also, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in there, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.